talking with Theo of Rugged Bound Supply Company, and you represent a new product and a company, Bolton Technical.
Correct.
What is this product?
It's a cell phone booster kit aimed squarely for the off-road community. This is very closely focused on the off-road community because the way it's designed. Their antenna is a CB style antenna that's modular, so you can disconnect it from the cable. If you hit a branch, you just replace the antenna and the cable stays put. Secondly, they've got a quick disconnect, so if you need to take it off, you can.
Nice.
Right? And then their mounting system is unidirectional. So no matter which way you're parked, off camber or on a slope, you can get back to vertical quite easily.
Nice ball joint.
Exactly. The mount system works with a track, so we've got M8 and M6 compatibility.
Great.
And if you have a tubular rack, you just swap it out with this. So we can mount it on tubular racks as well. We think it's a game changer for the off-road community and giving them some flexibility and modularity. It's available on ruggedbound.com today.
And a retail price?
Retail price is $549.99.
Theo, thank you very much.
Absolutely.
Alrighty,
Thank
thanks.
you.